Okay, so today we started with one request like this. Uh, we want to create a web page interface and all, so you can just have a look at it. So now, based on that, we got the following response. Okay, so we got the following response. So again, you can just look at the request and then okay. So we got a CSS styling, then we got HTML, and then we got JavaScript, and then what is this additional pages? Okay, uh, okay. So I think slightly technical. So let us work out. So copy code. First, I will implement as a separate folder. Home selection. Okay. Okay. Open terminal. Gedit. Uh, one work is done. So this is done. HTML to grid layout to display 25 icons. So how is it giving? Okay, it's giving in a loop. So simply home grid class is created for a div. Icons will be inserted here by JavaScript. Okay. And the JavaScript, okay, style sheet is related. Okay, style.css. Okay, let's do the style.css. Copy code here. Control N, Control V, Control S. Okay. Then we go down. Create a script.js file to generate the icons dynamically. Okay. So this much script is there. Okay, let's do that. Copy code. Control N. Got stuck. Control S. Okay, script also saved. Control S. What else? Persisting selected home ID. Use the session storage to store the selected home ID, making it accessible across different pages of the. For other pages, you can retrieve the selected home from the session storage. So copy code. This setup will create a basic page where users can. Okay, I think this one. Session storage dot get item. Okay, so this code should be there in every other page. Okay, so this I will just copy and then control S code code for other pages. Let's come back to it later. So now what I have to do is go here. So like this, I think what is the problem? Open with other application. Okay, it's already opened, right? Linking is a problem.
Is there any specific name for that file? Which
Huh.
one?
So style.css, style.css is matching. Okay. So this is not linked, right?
Yeah. Script. Yes.
Script src script.js. So script.js div home icon class add home icon. I think that's it. The what it worked actually, but it appeared that it did not work. So what I am looking for is something different. Uh, Sorry, not this one. Inspect. So console. See, selected home ID 8, 12, 16. It is working. Selected home ID 25. So
But we
now we need
want
to
it
ask
that
ChatGPT to make the interface look good. Please make the interface look better.
instead of giving this
There should be a
pictorial.
box uh, with icons showing tiny homes, and the user should be able to pick and select a home and thereby set the ID. Better aesthetic function section HTML structure. Add a container to display icons. This is what it has done to display icons and box for better layout. Improve styling container icons. Handle the selection process. That will be same. So where is the so container? Everything is there, right? Okay, it is
Now it
creating
is adding.
home icon after getting selected. Query selected. Add here image is being added. So JavaScript. So let's go to copy the styling and
First one.
this two I'll close. This one. So Control A. I don't know whether okay it might have and then let's see copy code Control A Control S. So
Sir, HTML we have to change.
HTML also we will change, but I don't think we need any change in the HTML because HTML nothing is there. See HTML it's only a div is there. There is a class container and then class home grid and then div. We will okay. In a way it is good, but we need better.
Like fighters
Uh,
by or
Open inspector. So so basically via placeholder 40 home icon. I think it has given the same icon for all. But of course, yesterday it has given icons, right? So we'll ask that. So now, if I go to console and select, so 21, 22, so I can select any home like this. Okay, so the selection part is also working. So
no, just that icon.
hmm, the icons have to be actual home icons.
So we can ask them to give different icons and we will select better, just like yesterday.
So first let the icon come, then okay. Now the HTML has changed. So we are talking about font awesome. That means this will give us the icons, and home grid is same. Just that this is added. Copy. Then the maybe some changes have been made in the CSS. So I'll just to be safe, I'll copy that, and then finally the no, this is already copied. JavaScript, copy. Too simple, and it is why it is not giving in a form of a today. It is little bit not very impressive. So want the homes in rows and columns inside a bounding box. Also use different icons for homes. Icons should be colorful. Also add the home number under each icon. So looks like nothing is changed. This is same. Probably this also might be same. So there is a container, there is a H1, there is a home grid, there is a home icon, background color, border color, padding. Then there is a selected home icon. Will background color, border color will change. Hovering also there is a effect. There is a home number also being displayed. That means the styling has changed. So copy code. Then JavaScript. See house, home, cottage, building. So
Yeah.
all these things are
Different types of
coming in the. So slowly it is waking up. ChatGPT. This is what it should have given in the first attempt itself. But anyway, so let's see how it looks now. Okay,
colors.
but why it is not giving a grid layout and yeah colors? What happened to home 15? But this is good. This is interesting. It's something different, you know. People might not have seen this kind of thing. So now the question is whether the homes are being selected randomly. See, these are the icons that is there in icons, right? So, so it's a for loop. Okay, it is just selecting the for loop. Okay, so let's further uh, improve on it. Again, the icons are still not organized in rows and columns. First, let us see within a bounding box. Here is the revised code. So the HTML should be same, whereas the this one will be different. Obviously, copy code. Why we I need more screen. Uh, CSS, right? Control S. Then we'll get the script, which is the last one. This is same. What happened? Generate 25 home icons. Let's see the its response. What is the problem? We'll come to know. See, grid template columns. Repeat 5 and 1 FR. So there is a grid template here, but it is not working. I think the problem is with the CSS style, the container and home icons. The icons are displayed in a grid layout with grid template columns. Repeat 5. For 5 column grid, the icons change color when selected or hovered. Okay, is that so? There is no changing in color. That means the styling is not working properly. Oh, okay. See, isn't that obvious? See, the script is working properly. Home HTML is working properly. The styling is not being applied properly. If the styling was applied properly, it would have worked, right?
Yes.
See, for example, I'll go to this style sheet, okay, and then I'll go to body, uh, container. H1 is there, right? So H1 color is 333. But what is the color of H1 here? So there is no nothing applied here, right, to H1. So if I refresh, so the style, okay, I think I can verify here. What I can do, styles, okay, H1,
Sir, down I think color is from
where
bottom, sir.
this one only you're saying.
Uh,
This is just a visualization of, see, the 393 by 37 is the our H1 element. On top of that, width padding, if I want to see, I move the cursor outside. Width padding, nothing is there. With border, nothing is there. With margin, okay, there is a 20 margin. If you notice, there was a 20 margin, right?
Yes.
So the margin is coming up and down. So like that. So there is no border, there is no padding, but margin is there. So, but where is the style inherited from HTML? So I think our what you call style sheet is not applied. Okay. So let's apply our style sheet properly. So that will be the mistake here. See, there are two style sheets. One style sheet is coming from outside. So another style sheet is here. STY. Can you see what is the problem? This is a very nice logic or explanation.
styles.
So this is style.css. This is styles.css. So because of this, what is happening? ChatGPT is thinking that it is giving, if I go here, it is saying all, what is that? Uh, it's even said sorry. Where is that? Want the homes in rows and columns, icons should be colorful. Okay. And it has given colorful icons and all. If I go down, uh, see, I said the icons are still not recognized in the rows and columns. I apologize for the word. Let's ensure that icons are correctly organized into rows and columns within a bounding box. Here is the revised code. Okay. but it did not realize saying that make sure that the the style file is properly connected. So anyway, now the question is, should I change here or here?
Here is better, sir.
Why?
Just on the.
So if I change this one, then what I can do is every time I copy paste from
Yeah.
ChatGPT, I don't have to. Otherwise, here I have to come and rename every time.
Yes.
So better to change this one. Okay. So simply, I already have here. So ls, no. So mv style.css size.css. So the file has been renamed. Okay. So now automatically the style will be applied. So let us see. For the effect, I will close everything and then yeah. See.
Yeah.
So color also changing, and why this five is there? Okay. No. No. Okay.
To
Whichever
select
I
it.
am selecting, it will come like that. So good. So now let's play with the colors. Okay. So chat. It's a good. I think we can keep the title related to importance of properly linking the style sheet. So uh, please make the color theme. What is that? Warm colors. Color theme with warm colors. So what else do we need?
Icons. Color.
Home 22, home 15, home 2. Okay, nothing is there. So,
2, 15, and 22.
but it may not. Okay, so homes 2, 15, and 22 does not have any icon displayed. Maybe it is empty. Let's check that. So I should go to script, right?
Yes.
So it is assigning in a for loop. Okay, so
Are there
uh,
25? 1, 2, 3.
so what were we saying? Home 2 did not come, right? In fact, here itself I'll inspect home 2 icon uh, FA cottage. So this FA cottage is a problem. What is this one? Home 15. It is now selected. FA castle is a problem. Pagoda. Okay. So I think these fonts are not coming.
Sir, can you go to the CSS ones?
Okay.
Two is cottage and
CSS.
here two is home. Here only. H.
Huh.
So I think it is not taking in order
Okay. Then let's see.
because we saw home
So
two
what is
is.
I percentage icons length? So I is a for loop. I percentage icons length. So maybe it will select randomly, or I don't know.
Because we saw 2 as cottage, no sir.
Huh.
Here cottage is in 3.
Okay. Anyway, let's go back and what you call mention that here. Actually, I direct. It need not worry with the list because directly we came right.
Right.
We selected in the this thing right. So it may be empty. For example, is showing up as empty. So also provide different colors to each icon. So only the style file will change, I believe. Like let's see, or even the script will change. HTML structure will remain same. CSS styling will be changing. We have a body, we have a container, we have H1, we have the grid, we have the icon, and we have the selected icon, hovering effect, font size, home number also is displayed. It is giving different color to each specific warm colors for each icon. Good. See, how do you know warm color is RGB, right? Red, green, and blue. See, in the red we have FF. That means fully red. Green and blue are changing. That means if it maintains the red color throughout, it will be warm colors. Cool colors means green and blue will be there, red will be less. Something like that. Anyway, so I think let's copy code. So this is also one more interesting thing that uh, the entire styling aspect is covered by the CSS. Okay, what else is so I think that is removed now, but castle is still there. Copy code, JavaScript, Control A, Control V, Control S. Yes, now it is.
14 and 21.
So now 21 is not coming and 14 is not coming, but everywhere else it is coming.
That is that.
So there are some repeating also, which is okay.
So 11 is like hospital.
Yeah. So what is this 21?
Sir, I think it is based on color it is changing because previously 21 came.
But let's see what is 21. So yeah, 21 came. It was Kaba was there last time.
Is it like that the icon color is yellow?
Let's do that.
We'll just change the background color to very light.
But these are other colors, right? They're not look doesn't look like this thing.
Sir, 20 is okay. 21.
See, 20 is coming here.
Yeah.
Okay, is it? Then what is 21 then? Pagoda. So Pagoda was not coming last time also.
Yeah. And 14.
So 14.
14 must be castle.
Must be castle. Let's see. Castle. Okay. Okay. So okay. FA dash Pagoda and FA dash Castle are also not working. Please remove them. Also give more darker colors in the same uh, warm theme for all the homes. Because some of the homes had light color.
So instead of remove, we can use the word replace with.
Maybe it might. Let's see.
It might completely remove that.
I think we will also go for randomization. So this it should every time we open this, it should random. Like I keep refreshing. It should create
Random.
random this thing. That also we will see just for fun. But overall, it is good. See, the highlight color is different, and selected one, home 13 is selected, home 1 is selected. So that is why interface is very important. It makes all the difference. And could we have written all this code ourselves? We have the vision, we have the idea, but it will take, maybe one full day to do that. Now imagine how it looks here. So let's now again a challenge how we can keep this. Anyway, so that is just to engage some conversation until we get the final answer. Script copied. I think there should be a automated way for doing this also. Save. CSS copied. Save. Now the darker colors have come. Everything is visible. Selected home is coming in a different color. But you see the icons are not changing, right? I mean, randomly it is not changing. So let us add that one part.
Randomize that.
Okay, randomize. Okay, I would I would have said please allocate the
Shuffle.
icons randomly. Okay, so I think shuffle is a better way. Can you shuffle the icons
Each
so
time
that
after request.
every time the page loads, the icons are allocated randomly. Note that the house IDs should not change. I mean, should remain as it is. Remain in order as it is. So only Java. See, it's only giving JavaScript. No need to change the styling. No need to change the HTML. So only through script the allocation is happening randomly. So what is doing? Shuffle array. So first the icons are there. So instead of us changing it down, interesting thing what it is doing is just the icons are taken and then just shuffled.
Shuffle.
That's it.
So we can add only
So
that line.
and then the remaining thing will be as usual. Okay, so ensure file is still set up correctly with darker warm colors. Obviously, yes. So copy code, darker warm colors. So let's see. See, this is how many lines? 50 lines, right? Control A, Control V. It's increased by 10 lines. So because I think this shuffling function is needed, right?
Yes.
Shuffle the icons array, function to shuffle an array, and generate code for 25 home icons. And okay. So refresh. So every time I refresh, icons are being shuffled.
And so for same icons, it have different colors, so they are looking different now.
See, but three are same, right? 22, 20, and 10 are same.
But their colors are
Even
so.
Is there any repeating things in this? That may be because of the this itself. Uh, 10, right? Uh, FA house. Okay. What about
22.
why it is not showing the tooltip here? Okay, if I move here, it will show. FA home. So house, home, and
Maybe they have same icon.
20. Uh, what is 20? Home. So home is coming two times. And So FA home is repeated is appearing same as FA house. Also, if FA home is repeated twice. So replace FA home with other icons, other relevant icons. Let's replace itself since it appears same as FA. We will add some new relevant font or some icons. Ensure variety. I think that's it. City tree house. Tree house is there. I don't know whether is there a tree house in this. I'm interested to see how the tree house looks like. Script. There's no tree house in this, right?
No.
University, monument, clinic, medical, synagogue, Tory gate, igloo. So tree house and archway. Parachute box. Let's see. Again, home 15 is a problem. Parachute box is this one, I think.
22. The slight difference is there. 20 to 20.
Just parliament and kind
What is this? Hotel is also there. Okay, 15, right? Tree house did not work. See, I still have to ask because every time I if a tree house is again not appearing, just replace this one with another icon, another new icon. Just give the code for icons array. Let's see whether it will. Yes,
Mountain.
I don't know what new thing. Okay.
They have
Treehouse
again
is
added pagoda.
replaced with or added a new icon to maintain variety.
Pagoda
Pug,
will
uh, no. Archway was also there, right? Don't want pagoda. Treehouse with FA tree. Archway with mountain. Okay. Anyway, so let's see. Okay. So let's refresh. Okay. So all are looking fine, right?
now it's good.
See, again, it is a vision, right? How we want it to look. So, and you see how the what you call uh, how the pictures are coming. They are not images. They are just characters in a font.
Yes.
If you use that character in a font, and it will it's as if font only. So now what I am doing is I will go for console. So so the selected home is there, right? So let us now match the ID of the home here itself in this interface itself. Okay, so we have I think projects. Ah, where did we store the IDs? Unique IDs? I think outside only.
Consumers.
IDs. Huh. See, these are the IDs, right?
Yes.
So I'll just simply uh, go to Excel. That is anyway not there. So we have 25. So these are the 25 IDs. Okay. So now I go to ChatGPT and then say, because instead of handling it at the receiving end, at the sending end itself, we should handle uh, this thing. So, so, so far it's good. Uh, the home numbers in the interface should remain same, but when selected, the ID should be from the following list, should be assigned sequentially from the following list. I don't know, there are no commas, but let's see.
It would take.
Understood. You want the icons to display sequential number visually, but when selected, they should correspond. So it is taking the IDs. So event listener, okay. So what about the selected home? But where is the shuffle array? Everything is there. Okay. So copy code. Now I go here, script. I hope it has. Where are the icons? That's what I was wondering. Something changed.
Those names.
Okay. In your Java, in your script.js, the icon list is missing. Please add that and give the latest script.js. That's what I was looking for. Okay, now the icons have come back. Hopefully, there's no pagoda in this. Okay, so copy code. Now, okay, okay, are you ready? So 14. So here it is giving this number 203, 37,
Now
17.
refresh and check.
Huh? Okay, 14. Oh,
Change.
why it is changing every time I refresh? The one is 277, 230. Okay, so
It is shuffling that.
home ID should not be
No, we have to say that home IDs
Sir,
are linked with
shuffle.
exactly.
So this I have to remove.
that should be for icons.
Uh-huh. But icons are not shuffling, right?
Sir, actually,
See, icons are not shuffling.
Okay,
in the
Home IDs are shuffling.
in the code itself, sir,
Uh-huh.
it was like shuffle IDs.
Huh. Okay. Yeah, the code is wrong. So
Sir, no need to ask, sir. They just
No, but later on, if I make any changes,
Yeah.
I will lose the freedom of copy paste.
okay.
That is the reason why I'm that replacing the icons also. So we need 100% ChatGPT generated code. So you are shuffling the home IDs
Instead of
instead of icons. Did you get confused? Let's clarify correct script. Okay, while keeping the map sequentially. Okay. See now the shuffle array icons is there.
now.
So copy. I mean, so many interesting things are there in this, right? Okay. Now the icons are shuffling.
Yes.
Now let's see. Home one is 226, 3808, 35, and last one is 277. So let's see in our list first before refreshing. So last one is 277 and 266, 808. I think that's what we got, right?
Just the refresh ones.
266, 808, 35, and so 277.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Then.
so now I think we should not disturb more this one. See, now the idea is now we need to transfer this into this page. So when I go back, log in. So first time I log in, I'm getting this interface, simulated data and utility MDL. Now when I click on this, it should display the homes.
Oh.
Anyway, that we will try in the next video.